Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix a Roblox error, fail to download or apply critical settings. Please check your internet connections. So if you are getting this error in the Roblox, then here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to change the DNS server. You can try Google DNS Server or you can also try the Cloudflare DNS Server. So in Windows search type control panel and open it. And then click on view network status and tasks, and then click on your connected network, and then click on properties. Now if internet protocol version 6 is ticked mark, then untick it, then select internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties, and then check mark use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4. Then hit on OK and then close it, and then go ahead, launch the Roblox and check if your error is fixed or not. If not, then you can try the Cloudflare DNS server. So again click on this property, select the internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Now in the preferred DNS server type 1.1.1.1 and in alternate DNS server type 1.0.0.1 and then click on OK and then close it, and then you can go ahead, launch the Roblox and check if your problem is solved or not. If it is not solved, then again go to properties, select the internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties, and then select obtain DNS server address automatically and then click on OK and then close it, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 is to connect to a Cloudflare VPN. So open Chrome and search for Cloudflare VPN and then click on this 1111 website. This is a Cloudflare VPN app. Click on Windows option, and when this Cloudflare file get downloaded, then click it and install it on your PC, and after installing it, connect it, and after connecting to Cloudflare VPN, then go ahead, launch the Roblox and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then it could be possible that Roblox has been banned in your region. At present, the Roblox has been banned in Egypt country. As you can search in Google, is Roblox banned in Egypt? You can see Egypt is currently in the process of censoring Roblox as of 1st February 2026. You can see the top stories. Egypt officially bans Roblox. Egypt block online platform Roblox over concern about children's online safety. So in many countries the Roblox game has been banned. So in that case, what you can do, you can connect to other VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, etc. So you can download the Proton VPN and install it on your PC and then check. You can also try the NordVPN, Turbo VPN or Avast VPN. There are many VPN software available online, so you can download and install any VPN of your choice from the internet, then connect to VPN and then select other location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the Roblox app and then check if your error is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Roblox error, fail to download or apply critical settings. Please check your internet connections. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.